store. Ano yan? Happy birthday, Kuya Luis. Happy birthday, Kuya Luis.
Dito bubble gum.
Wow, look at all these marshmallows. Happy birthday, Kuya Luis. 8 ka na? 8 ka na. Hey, anong present? Anong gift mo? Ha? Anong gift mo? Saan? Wake up! We're at Jollibee. Today's my son's birthday. We're gonna order some food for his class, for his entire class and some of the faculty there. So it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, a little bit past 7. Jollibee. And it's slippery. Watch your step. Morning. So you wanna have breakfast now too, or? I don't know. Ilan ba yung classmates niya?
11 nga sila.
So, what about the other teachers?
Hindi na kailangan na.
Huh? Are you sure?
Gawin ka ng 13.
What about the guard?
13 nga.
So everybody knows the Jollibee menu.
Pa isang mag-14 na estudyante.
So we're gonna have breakfast? Huh?
Hindi. Okay tayo. Mamaya natin balikan.
Oo nga, pero tayo. Since we're here? Huh? No? Busog ka? Sige, wag na. Yeah, so ano yung gusto mong order? So that's the breakfast menu. You could order lunch menu.
Ayan.
Mamaya pa naman eh.
Ayun, di ba ready to order na yung mga yan? Ayun o.
Okay.
Ayun ang papalitan mamaya. Yung breakfast. Di ba? Napalitan yan. Gusto yun. Wala ba kayong kids meal? Ay, wala na ngayon.
Out of stock. Out of stock, no delivery. So everybody knows this pancake sandwich. You don't want any yan? Bukas na ba yung mga Gilexi or something?